So these arrived recently, the new Royal Mail Viking Britain stamps, which are very nice. And I'm going to do a little unboxing. I also, when I get these things, I tend to buy these envelopes that come with them as well, the first day cover envelopes, because they're only like 30 pence or something. It's about 45 cents in the US. So I'm just going to do a bit of an unboxing of this, show you a bit of a closer look at some of these stamps. And these packs are quite nice because they have quite a lot of historical information within them. But before I do that, I just wanted to say that there are quite a few, or there have been quite a few historical related stamps, some of which I've featured on this channel before doing unboxings. I tend to get the mythical or medieval type ones. So there's the King Arthur one here, and the Legend of Robin Hood and the corresponding envelopes there. And also got this quite nice 75th anniversary of D-Day one as well with the envelope there. So without further ado, let's have a look at these. So let's look at the envelope first. Pretty straightforward really, just some runic or that's a sort of serpentine imagery there. Nothing much on the back, but it did come with this nice card which features a big historical explanation there, and details of the stamps, and a nice Viking Age helmet that was found in Yarm, Stockton-on-Tees in the 1950s. And now the main event. So this is a full set of stamps, a couple of first class ones there, £1 stamps, which I'm not sure what they're for, and some quite expensive ones, at £2.20 stamps there. So I think they're for sort of parcels and stuff. The stamps themselves, I've just taken them out of the outer packaging. So the stamps themselves are on these mountings here, which you can just sort of peel back and touch the actual stamp itself. I tend to keep them nicely in the packaging, but so they're the stamps, which are nice. You've got a silver and copper sword from Temple, London. They're from all over the UK, from all over England really. Olaf Guthridsson silver penny, minted in York, known as Jorvik at the time. Silver penannular brooch there from Penrith in Cumbria, in the north of England. The Lindisfarne Priory, obviously Lindisfarne bore the brunt of one of the first experiences of the Vikings in England. There is the mockback gravestone from Glasgow, and the gilded bronze brooch, Pitney from Somerset. There's a comb there. Vikings, or the Norse, were actually very well known for grooming. So that was found in Coppergate in York. And Norse settlement remains in Jarlshof in Shetland, in the far north of Scotland, or the islands off thereof. And as I mentioned earlier, one of the best things about these sets is that they come with these info cards which tell you much more information about all of the individual bits and bobs. So these unfold. There's a map there of the UK showing where all of these sites are, so it's difficult to manoeuvre. There we go. So there we have a bit of an explanation there at the top, and it tells you in detail about what all of these bits are, and some other information as well on the legacy of the various Viking incursions into Anglo-Saxon England and Scotland, of course, if you count the one from Glasgow there. And on the back there's a detailed explanation of Jorvik, York nowadays, and some coins, various bits, gaming pieces, some of the iconic shoes, and other items, some ritual, some practical. I found this very interesting, this padlock. I didn't actually know they had padlocks that far back, and as it says, the security was important, especially somewhere as crowded and wealthy as Jorvik. So there we go, there's a bowl there. And yeah, so interesting reading, as well as a collector's item there. So that's the full set. As I say, it's just a quick unboxing of this. It's a nice set, nice one to add to the collection. I think these cost about £15, and as I say, a sort of nominal 30p for the envelope, which I always tend to get because I think they're quite nice, and I don't think everyone else will get those, so they're nice to have as well. And I actually tend to put the packages inside the envelopes just for sort of safekeeping. But yeah, I'd recommend this, and I've had a bit of a read through, but as I say, these only arrived yesterday, so I've not had a chance to read all of the information yet, but I look forward to doing so. So definitely recommended. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description, or via YouTube Super Thanks if you so wish. But thanks for watching. Bye for now.